the Neheme NH525 with adjustable camera. It's done manually, it's no fanciness in it. And it's basically a Mavic clone. No SD card. 1200 milliamp battery. And this thing cooks pretty good. It's got pretty good yaw. It's a little dirty right now because we've been flying the hell out of it this morning. And this controller is pretty cool. Turn your controller on. And just flip that down. To bind. To calibrate. And to take off or start your props. And then you have your speed, which there's 3. Return to home. Don't use that button. I'll fly straight backwards and might cut your head off. Your headless mode and your 3D flips, in which this drone will flip in every direction, side to side. And currently we have no more of these on Amazon. My brother was able to pick one up and I haven't yet, so I'm jelly. But yeah, no lights on the bottom. It's got these great LEDs, so it gives you pretty good orientation in broad daylight. And it flies rather well. It comes with an extra set of props, screwdriver, screws for the props, and 2 batteries.
If you do want the case, you do have to buy the case separately, though. That's it's not too bad in price.
About what, 10, 11 bucks or so?
It's like about 20, I think.
And the only way you can get it is in gray. Couldn't find it in black. It's a nice little case, but yeah, Neheme, you should make a case for that. But yeah, this one comes highly recommended along with its big brother, the NH760.
Oh yeah, they're both really fun drones to fly.
Okay, this is Neheme NH525 being piloted by Doug. Let's bring it up. This thing has 3 speeds and it does total 3D flips. Forward, back, side to side.
Yaw is pretty good also.
Yeah, that yaw is pretty nice. It's got nice LEDs in the front. Let's do some flips. Oh yeah, there we go. I'm not sure on the motor size with this because it doesn't say in the book like other drones will. So as soon as I ever have to take it apart, we'll figure that out. Yeah, it has 3 speeds and about to go into 3 speed. Pitches out pretty good. Give us some flips. Yeah, this yaw is awesome. I'm gonna show you this pitch though. Look at that.
Yeah, it pitches really far. You give me the speed 3, it's pretty heavy. I was really impressed.
Okay, 3D rolls here. Yeah, I like that thing. Pitches out really nice.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think it's a good buy. How long have you had it now?
about a month or so.
About a month or so.
Yeah. Well, I really like about it because you can see the lights on really well over the top of the one you got.
Yeah, see, that's a good pro. But the con that I see in this is when you have it above us, there's no lighting underneath. This shows, you know, front to back. Like some have the
Right,
some lighting
yeah.
underneath.
Well, the landing gear, you can see where the landing gear
Yeah, you sure can.
So that kind of help out higher up.
And Doug's a fairly new pilot, and yeah, he's got this down pat. This is a good beginner drone for sure.
Yeah.
That was weird how that wind kind of pushed that like that.
Yeah, one thing I noticed, you got to kind of over some of them, you got to trim it out a little bit more. But once you get it, you get the hang of it. It's not too bad. I mean, you can see in the background here, there's a little bit of wind. So
Yeah, see right there.
Kind of
That's
fighting it a little bit, but
yeah, that's the wind pushing it right here.
yeah.
So I mean, and this is a light breeze, 5 mile an hour maybe, a little more. But this is speed 3. Here's speed 1. That pitch and yaw is pretty slow. Number 2. We're gonna come back on 3. Yeah, this pitch is great.
Pretty hefty. A lot of them. I like the other thing I like about it is still small enough, compact. Small tight areas you can fly it pretty good.
Yeah, I mean indoors too, lightly. Now this does have a return to home key. And if you hit this button right here, this thing's gonna fly straight back no matter what. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's not doing it like it will. That key is not, there it goes. So yeah, it's just gonna fly backwards until I stop it here. Let's see, almost took out David there. Okay, and we have headless mode. Click here. Oh, it died suddenly. Whoa, that was weird. It just fell out of the sky. Don't know why. Here, we'll check it out. For no reason it fell out of the sky. We just got it bound back up, and it's not a dead battery. It was just kind of an odd occurrence. I don't know if we lost signal, but yeah, it will take off right now. So we're back in business. I really have never seen a drone fall out of the sky like that, so I really don't know what happened.
Yeah, it's weird.
And see, our lights are solid, so we are not under dead battery. Now we can go on with our review. Okay, we're in speed 1. There we go. So that return home key. Oh gosh, it's so zippy right now. Let's get that speed down. So that return home key. Yeah, it's flying straight back. That's crazy. So yeah, it's probably one of those keys you probably won't want to use too often, because it's not going to pull you out of a pinch like a GPS drone. It is having some technical issues. So all in all, I think this is a good buy. Either way, I mean, that might just be a fluke why it fell out. I just don't know. We're on the same battery, and we are still able to do 3D rolls. So we're not under LBC.
Yeah, it's odd. I've never seen one do that.
Yeah, she's quick. She is quick. So let's get some flight footage, see how it goes. It's still doing its thing. Let's get real close to it there. Oh, hey, how's it going? Yeah, the Neheme NH525 is a great little drone. It's pretty sharp. It's pretty. And like I said, Amazon's out of them right now. Neheme said they got something new coming. Hopefully it's something for me, because I'm bummed I can't buy this. Yeah, this is... Yeah, he says he's getting about 10 minutes or so, or better, with these batteries. And he's only running on level 2. It's slightly breezy. Oh, you are in 3? Will it do flips? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty resilient drone. Yeah, and then putting the Eachine E58 up against it, I mean, the only real difference is one has an SD card, the other doesn't. They both perform basically the same. But yeah, this drone here, the Neheme NH525, gets 2 thumbs up from Sinister RC for sure. I definitely recommend this drone, especially for beginners, because the pilot right now is a beginner. He's been flying for a few months now, but he just updated to this one, the little bigger drone. Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice, smooth little drone. Got good pitch, good yaw. Yeah, that's got good pitch. Really good pitch, yeah. You know what? As soon as I get mine, I'm going to put an FPV camera on top of it and we'll fly it. Oh yeah, now we're on LVC, so he'll go land it. Beautiful.